Today, papaling ko sa Indo ang sarong two-story Korean-inspired residential house digdi sa Villa Sorabella, Concepcion Grande, Naga City. This ready for occupancy home inside a good and flood-free community. Bagay ini sa mga family na naghahanap ni harong na pwede nang istaran without doing major renovations. Tara, hilingon ta! Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng family home digdi sa Naga City na may sadiring lote, mahiwas ang outdoor space, and yaon sa community na day binaha during Typhoon Christine, this is one property worth checking in. Takapipiriton magbakal. Ang goal ta mo na is mahiling mo, check mo, and ma-assess mo kung bagay sa needs kang family mo. Message mo lang si Uncle kung gusto mong mag-schedule ng viewing. And follow Uncle Butch. Bago magbakal, magpa-guide muna.